Welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So you can see traders, today is 22nd of December 2020 and currently time is 9:39 AM. So traders, coming on to our today's trade, you can see that I have taken entry in Britannia and I have also taken another trade, traders, that is Bharti Airtel, and second is in Britannia. Okay traders, so here you can see in Britannia we are very near to our target and it is showing very good momentum, and here our risk reward ratio was 4.92 and here in Bharti Airtel it's 4.33. So traders, I have taken two entries because today there was more bearish sign and it was seeming like that today will be a trending market also. So I have placed two entries or taken two trade, and in Britannia you can see we are very near to our target. Okay traders, so profit will be booked, there is no problem in that, but let's now discuss the setup why we have taken these entries. Okay traders, in Britannia I have taken 5 quantities for the sell side, and Bharti Airtel also I am for the sell side with 22 quantities. So first let us discuss the setup on Bharti Airtel. So traders, let me first open 1 day time frame. Okay traders, so you can see traders, in 1 day time frame I had drawn our trend line here. Okay traders, you can see, so this trend line was breaked out. You can see in 15-minute time frame I have opened 15-minute time frame. Here the breakout of this 1 day time frame was given yesterday by this big momentum. So what we did traders, we made our trend line over here, and when it gave the breakout of this small trend line on 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, a breakout came, and when the breakout came we entered into the trade. So we taken the entry in 1-minute time frame, and you can see this is how trade is going on. Now coming on to traders Britannia, let me again open. I am opening here 1 week time frame. Okay traders, so so traders, in 1 week time frame you can see our trend line which is drawn in green color. You can see here a breakout was given yesterday by a very big momentum on the downside. So what happened? Same happened. Let me open 5-minute time frame. Okay, so traders, you can see a breakout was given, again gone for the retracement. So what I did, I made a trend line over here. You can see like this. Okay traders, and when it gave breakout of this trend line, I entered into the trade with 1-minute time frame, and you can see how good our trade is going on with a risk reward ratio of 4.92. We are just about to hit our target, and in Bharti Airtel we are not very near to our target, but trade is going very good. So this is our today's trade traders. Okay, so traders, this was the today's setup, and now I'm pausing the video, and when it will hit our target or a stop loss, I will update you. So traders, you can see we are very near to our target but our target has been not yet triggered. So what we are doing is that we are trailing our stop loss in Britannia to this swing high to protect our profit or book half of the profit. So I'm trailing my stop loss. Okay traders, it will be placed. Okay, so our order has been modified for the stop loss. So if it breaks this, we will book this much profit. And coming on to Bharti Airtel also traders, I am now trailing my stop loss to this swing high. to book at least some of the profit. This is how traders trading should be done, to protect at least some of the profit. Okay traders, so coming here, it is now coming toward the stop loss, still stop loss, no problem if it gets triggered. And Britannia is also coming, no problem. Okay traders, we are about to hit our trail stop loss. Okay, done. In Britannia it's not yet hit, but in Bharti Airtel our trail stop loss has been triggered. Now it's time for Britannia, it seems. Okay, no problem. So let us wait if in Britannia also a stop loss, trail stop loss got hit or not. So it's taking some time. So traders, if our trail stop loss got triggered here, I will update you. So I am pausing the video. So traders, here you can see that our trail stop loss was got triggered in Britannia as well. So no problem traders, that's totally fine. Now let me open Bharti trade also. Okay traders, here it is. So traders, we got risk reward of 0.78 in Bharti Airtel, and in Britannia we got 2.88 risk reward. So now let's calculate today's profit. So first let's calculate our profit in Bharti Airtel. So our quantities were 22 and our points which we booked is 2.25. So our profit in Bharti Airtel is 49 rupees, 49.5, and in Britannia our quantities were 5 and our booked points were 43.50. Okay traders, so 217 plus 49.5, our today's total profit is 267 rupees. Okay traders, so this was our today's trade. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.